Well, aren't we really so excited about Nagin, the interesting serial which has grossed over the rest of the serial on air? And then it surpassed Bigg Boss 9, the television reality show, which is also another major show for the Telejanta. But isn't it a bit too sad that this mega serial is out for a stop this May? Yeah, in fact, apparently the show was to go off air in January itself, and it is actually a bonus that the viewers are getting to view this. Nagin grabbed the viewership quotient due to its familiar intrigue and was getting further interesting with the inclusion of a Nevla on the show. Viewers lived the combo of Molly, Roy and Arjun and were getting used to seeing them regularly. However, it is going off air and that's final. Meanwhile, we wonder how the serial is going to spring a surprise, for it is actually famous for its Kahani Mein twist. It has grabbed the interest of the public for all the slimy reasons, what say. It is wedding bells rolling not only in Bollywood but also in the Teleland. Yeah, the very famous jodi of Divyanka and Vivek are a must-see for their chemistry and bonding. So from Tele-Life to real life, when they are ready to say their I do's, everyone is getting excited and happy, hai na? Yeah, recently they had their engagement and it was an amazing thing to watch them in action. As the title track played, it was really romantic to see them dance to the tunes of each other, and hey presto, see the jodi really in love with each other. They shot to popularity with their stint on Ye Jo Hai Mohabbatein, and it really is interesting to see how they've captured the hearts of all their fans. With this engagement dance, they've only shown that it is healthy to be in love and show it too, I'd say. OMG, did you even think that our bhai Salman can do something wrong? Yeah, he's just being human and he too has a life. So what happened that we are telling you all this? Well, this is what happened in the recent Bigg Boss episode where he was interacting with the Kya Cool Hai Hum 3 team and was asked a rapid fire question session. Yeah, and one of them was if he was ever caught watching an Aisa Vaisa film, to which Salu with a twinkle in his eyes replied, affirmative. Can you beat that? Salman too watches porn. Ha! And he was caught. So if all of you thought that Salman was all about being out of reach, then get it upright and personal from the bhai himself that he has his share of being naughty and normal. Meanwhile, we wonder what gives bhai the spunk and the attitude to carry off all this with ease and comfort, hai na? So now, whether it is official or not, Katrina and Ranbir have split. But did you know that all the time Katrina was in touch with Salman, and now after the split, Katrina is obviously reaching out to her ex-beau. Recently, Ali Abbas had a party in a Juhu club and had invited Salman as well as Katrina. Kat obviously was very keen to attend the party as bhai was there too. Reports have it that the Dabang Bhaijan and the Chikni Chameli were talking for more than an hour. So what were they talking about? Their split love life, or their future plans, or their present discussions? Whatever they were discussing, it surely means that Salman is presently her mentor and is sure to be influencing her life. We are loving all this, especially when Salu is not doing too good with the Yulia. So is the cat Salu thingy happening again? So this is the biggest twist in the story of Kat and Ranbir. Are they really a couple or are they not? We did see that they aren't living together anymore, but in the recent police show, we saw the Ajab Prem Ki Gajab Kahani jodi making separate entries. Yeah, Ranbir came with his dad Rishi Kapoor and Katrina came alone. She's however very busy promoting her upcoming Fitoor and is keeping everyone guessing about the pair. Meanwhile, there are many who say that it is a publicity stunt for their forthcoming Jagga Jasoos. Well, whatever it is, we sure are busy with the jodi who are making headlines for their split. But it is the ring which caught the attention of all at the public show. So why is Kat wearing the ring and what is keeping her from announcing a possible engagement? Anyway, it is a mystery about her ring, henna. Okay, for all who are up for a tough stand with the divas of Bollywood, Parineeti just proved that when it comes to woman power, it kills. Yeah, look at her svelte body and just get it into your head that when girls wanna, they just blast it. Add to this the plum role in YRF banner Dhoom 4 and Parineeti is way on to becoming a star soon, hai na? Yes, so for those who were wondering why she wasn't chosen for the other YRF movies, here is the news that she would be signing up for the Dhoom sequel, and considering that we already have had Aishwarya's and Katrina's and Isha's showing their spunk, this flick sure would give Pari a royal welcome, would say. Meanwhile, Parineeti is booming into the headlines with her amazing bod, and now with her super role, we know everything is just falling into the right slots for the Ishaqzade gal, hai na? Okay, so all of you are really blown over by Salman's new look for Sultan, hai na? So don't you wish to know how he got it and what could be the reasons and who could be behind all this? Yeah, it is some experienced one from Hollywood, the very famous Hans, who's been seen in so many popular Hollywood movies like Civil War, etc. Isn't that really cool? And to see how the man has worked on Bhai's look is indeed commendable. Yeah, so all of you out there waiting to have the first look of Bhai, then here it is, from the man himself. Apparently, Hans is also to work on Bahubali Part 2, but our real-life Bahubali Sallu is indeed one of a kind, would say. With things literally beefing up for Bhai, we wonder how Bhai is gonna cope up with all the flesh and charbi, hai na? Well, till the flick releases, Hans ka haath on Bhai, and we are loving this do Hans ka joda, would say. Aren't we really happy with the upcoming Sultan, where Bhai is gonna show his strength and muscles? But whoa, what is this? We now see Suresh Raina with him in a recent pic. So is Suresh the cricketer giving some tips to Salman the actor? Obviously, Salman would be more than happy to adopt some true tips from a real sportsman, hai na? And with the recent inclusions in the flick, we just wonder if this dosti is for us to see Salman and Raina together. Wouldn't that be a real treat? With the Dhoni biopic being made, we sure are happy to see this unique blend of cricket and Bollywood, hai na? Salman, meanwhile, has made all the efforts to make things work for his muscle-flexing flick, and we now feel it is worth a thought to plan something with Raina and Salman. The pic surely says a lot, and we only wait to uncover this unique blend, would say. Okay, so we are seeing a lot of pics with Salman and Kid. Yeah, just now we saw him with a cute baby, and now we have this cutest interaction with crying Susie, an avid Salman fan from Bahrain. Apparently, Susie is really a big fan of Bhai and broke down on seeing Bajrangi Bhaijaan hurt in the flick. Since then, Susie's mother has expressed the desire to see her daughter in the movie. In fact, the photo session with Susie was indeed an interesting one, with the kid posing with her favorite star in his poses. Yes, the very poses that Bhai is famous for was tried by the young star, and wasn't it oh so cute? With Salman's penchant for kids, this is really getting interesting that Bhai has inspired so many children across the world. So if all of you thought that the big split of Bollywood was just a lover's tiff, then here it is up close and personal for you. Well, there were so many reports that after Tamasha, Katrina had started getting worked up about her beau Ranbir's closeness with his co-star in the flick, Deepika. But it is all passé, for it is not our Piku, but it is the Shandar queen Alia who is the one responsible for the split. Yes, Alia and Ranbir, who were very good friends, got really cozy in a party thrown by Imtiaz Ali. Things heated up between Kat and Ranbir, and when Katrina doubted Ranbir of having a special feeling for Alia, in fact, word has it that Kat even tried to dissuade good friend Ayan from casting Alia and Ranbir in his next film. Maybe this got the Kapoor guy fuming and he left their living pad. Okay, our special source has fed in the masala, but we are only wondering if Ranbir... For we do know he's quite determined about his friends, and he sure would not like anybody staining his friend Alia's name. Presently, we wonder what is gonna happen to Jagga Jasoos featuring him and Katrina.